Hello, my name is Nicolo Stanziu. I'm an independent iOS developer and the founder and CEO of NFC.cool. How does NFC.cool ensure customer satisfaction? First of all, we love customer feedback. We listen on all the channels. We listen through email. You can text us. We love to hear your feedback. We also like to improve our app, making things better, making things more clear, making things more understandable. And we also improve the app every year. iOS, for example, or Android is getting new features, and we're adopting these to make the app better. We also ensure customer satisfaction through adopting new features in the iOS ecosystem or the Android ecosystem. Every year, these systems get a major update, which provide new ways to interact with applications. We are adopting these new features to ensure the best experience on your smartphone. We are also working on more tutorial videos so that it is much easier to understand how you can use NFC technology around you and in your daily workflow or in your daily life with clients, customers, friends, or your family, or just improve your life with home automation. Stay tuned for more amazing content at NFC.cool.